Are you gonna help mommy? Are you helping mommy? Say yes, I am. Say yes. Can you say grandma?
Grandma.
Say mommy?
Grandma.
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 What about grandpa?
Papa. Mom.
Mom.
Dad.
What does the horsey say? Is that a horsey? What about a rabbit? What about a fishy? Okay, well, come here.
Those papers on the recycling bin.
Tell Daddy you're helping mommy.
Dad.
Say, I'm helping mommy.
Dad.
No, you can't do this.
Come here, Jaden. Come here. Come here. Tell me how old you are. You're how many? You're 2? You're 4? You're 4 years old?
She didn't say I'm 2.
You're 2?
How many are in your family?
What's that? Grandma? Grandpa?
Grandma and Grandpa? What about Daddy? Mama? Juliet? And Jaden? That's 4.
What's that? 2.
I'm trying to count.
1.
So dirty.
Say bye-bye. Say, come here, show me some noises. What does the cat do? What does the dog do? What does the monkey do? What does the snake do? What does the bear do? What does a gorilla do? Oh, the monkey. No, what does I'm sorry. What does the dinosaur do? What does the fish do? What else he does, Teresa? Oh, what does the bird do?
Rooster.
Do it again. What does the rooster do?
What about chicken? Monkey? Lizard. Show Christy.
Show me.
Show Christy what a fish does.
What does the rabbit do? Thank you. Bye-bye now. Say sorry, Nara. Say ciao. Oh, do the somersault. Do the somersault.
Just took a bow.
You took a bow. I know. Do your somersault. Do your somersault.
Can you do a somersault? You gotta move that stuff. Move that. Move that.
Do your...
Give me that, please. Yeah, hand it to me. Okay, now you can do somersault. You're gonna do somersault?
Take a bow.